Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming Mac OS and Safari versions. This is crucial because Safari extensions require recent platform support. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and enable Safari in System Settings so the browser can accept extensions. Next, open the Mac App Store and search for Safari extensions. You'll need to install an extension app, not a browser plugin. Make sure automatic updates are on so you don't miss compatibility fixes while you proceed to install. You install the extension app from the Mac App Store. This is the only supported delivery method for Safari extensions now. Once installed, open Safari and go to Preferences, then Extensions, locate the new extension and check its box to enable it. Next, grant necessary permissions carefully. Allow access to specific websites or all sites only if required. If the extension includes a companion app, make sure it's running. Otherwise, Safari may show limited functionality or request additional. You finalize by testing the extension on the sites where you need it. Verify buttons, context menus, and injected content behave as expected. If features don't appear, restart Safari first and then restart your Mac if needed. This clears caches and service hiccups. If problems continue, make sure your App Store account matches the signed-in Apple ID. Confirm the extension is up to date and recheck permission settings. One key troubleshooting tip: disable other extensions to isolate conflicts before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.